ELAM poles from LWS are engineered to meet and exceed all design loads and are manufactured from industry-standard high-grade timber. On rare occasions, ELAM poles sometimes suffer damage during transport and handling. Most all damage that occurs is cosmetic in nature and rarely affects the structural performance of the pole. This short video will explain the most common types of damage that can occur and what steps to take to evaluate and repair the damage. If your ELAM pole has arrived showing signs of transport damage, make sure to alert the freight company that delivered the pole. The next step is to fill out an ELAM pole damage assessment worksheet. This worksheet is available from the LWS website or by calling your local LWS sales representative. Once the form is submitted, the completed worksheet will be reviewed by LWS engineering staff to determine whether the damage is structural or cosmetic in nature. There are three main types of damage that can occur: gouge, splinter, and void. Gouges are most often caused by forklifts or choker chains and typically result in slight separations of the wood fiber. Splinters are often more severe than gouges and usually occur when forks catch the corner of the pole and begin to split the wood fiber, but the piece remains attached. Voids can be the most serious type of damage and are the result of severe gouges or splinters where the wood fiber is missing completely. This section of the video will explain the recommended procedures to be followed when repairing ELAM poles. It is your responsibility to make sure you have set up a safe work area and are wearing proper personal protective equipment and are following all established safety practices. Gouges are most often repaired by simply shaving the affected area with a draw knife or similar tool. This repair is strictly cosmetic and does not require any other procedure. Splinter damage is repaired using epoxy adhesive, corner protectors, and ratchet straps. Begin the procedure by attaching duct tape to the appropriate number of corner protectors needed and spraying the edges with WD-40. This will prevent the epoxy from adhering to the corner protectors. Load the epoxy tube into the applicator gun and install the mixing nozzle to the tube as shown. The epoxy is now ready to be applied. It is not recommended that the epoxy be applied when the ambient temperature is below 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Begin applying epoxy to all edges of the splinter, making sure that epoxy flows into the splinter voids as much as possible. Position corner protectors as needed and adjust ratchet strap to fit the circumference of the pole. Tighten ratchet straps and remove excess epoxy with a putty knife or other stiff tool. Allow the epoxy to cure for at least 4 hours before removing the ratchet straps. Once the epoxy is cured, remove the ratchet straps and apply a coat of spray paint if desired. To repair void damage, begin by cutting a piece of cardboard or other stiff material, several inches larger than the void area. Apply duct tape to one side of the cardboard as shown and spray with WD-40. Temporarily secure the cardboard over the damaged area with screws or nails, creating a dam that will hold the epoxy. Fill the void area with epoxy up to a level even with the pole's surface. Smooth the area with a putty knife. After the epoxy has been allowed to cure for a minimum of 4 hours, the cardboard dam may be removed. Make sure all screws and nails are removed from the pole. The corner of the repaired area can be sanded smooth and painted if desired. If you have any questions about making field repairs on ELAM poles, please contact your local LWS sales representative or contact us direct at 800-949-3526.